So my next project, since we don't have a gym membership anymore, is to build a place to work out while we're stuck at home for however long that may be. So the first thing I did was install a pull-up bar, which I made out of iron pipes and some tape and some wood from some pellets. Now the other thing that I'm making, which I saw on YouTube, is how to make a dip station using PVC pipe. Now normally I would not use PVC pipe because I know it's not great for the environment, but in this case my plan is to have this for a long time, so I'm hoping that it will last for quite a bit. So basically what's happened is I watched this YouTube video and he was using an 1.25" pipe, and one, Lowe's didn't have 1.25", and two, I felt that 1.5" felt better when you put your hand on it. I mean, it feels more solid. Now the other thing that they had in there is they want it to be about 2 feet apart, which is this piece here. This piece here is going to go across here, and then I'm just dry fitting this and not gluing it in, but that's about how wide apart they want it, and that feels a little wide to me. And if Jill wants to use this, it's going to be wide for her, so I'm probably going to take this 24-inch piece and those two 12-inch pieces, cut this down to 20, take 4 inches off of it, which would be 2 inches on each side, and cut those down to 10, so it'll be 20 inches in width and not 24 inches. Alright, so I've cut the pieces. I have one 20-inch length and then 4 10-inch with the spacers. So I'm just gonna take this and see how it fits. So bring it in. Just wanna get an idea. Brought that in a little bit. Get a feel for the... Oh, that feels perfect. That's going to be nice. A little bit outside. It might be a little wide for Jill, but I think that width right there is going to be absolutely perfect. It looks like it's done. So I'm gonna let this thing dry, and then when I come back, I'm gonna test it out.
Oh, rickety.
Yeah, it wobbles a little bit. but
I feel like I'm staring at a support post.
you are. I pushed it there so maybe it would stop wobbling so much.
What are you doing? Woo. Ooh, wow, on the dismount, I felt it.
Yeah. You want to try it?
Sure.
Okay, Jill's gonna come and try it. And her hair's all wet. She just got out of the shower.
But that doesn't matter, right?
No.
Did you thin it up?
Tighten it up? Yeah.
Bring it in?
Yeah, 4 inches. So it should be closer, but I definitely want you to.
Ooh, that's it for now. That's nice.
Yeah, it wobbles a lot for me though. I notice that when I'm doing these, that's getting a lot of shake. I don't know if I need to be more centered. If that'll help. Yeah.
Well,
More stabilizer muscles.
Yeah, that's what I think. I think also as you get stronger, you're not going to be shaking as much.
Well, I also noticed that if I'm directly in the center, it doesn't shake back and forth. When I first did it, it really shook, and I think I was too far back or too far forward.
Oh, okay.
But when I was right in the center, it shook less.
Okay.
All right.
Does the job.
It does the job. So I couldn't end this video leaving this do-it-yourself project with the dip station with the death wobble that it had, that as you can see when I tried it and when Alex tried it, the thing just shakes and shakes, and that's really not a complete do-it-yourself video. So what I did is I improvised a little bit. Took me a little while to figure out what to do, and I went ahead and added this strap to this railing, and it's holding the dip bar in place. I put it here and I can shake it, and it's not going anywhere. Let's test this out. Let's do some dips. Perfect. It works. So if you like this project, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I'm going to have a ton more projects for you to watch, along with some other really cool stuff that we're going to do. Thanks for watching, and happy trails.